Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video after such a long time. For those of you who have been following me and watching my videos for a long time, I just want to say a big thank you to my online friends. Thank you for coming back. I really appreciate it. And if you're new to this channel, you're so welcome. Take a seat, okay? Thank you for coming. Yeah, it's been a little while. I moved house and it was an epic move. We didn't have any broadband. It was too much of a process for me to upload videos, so I enjoyed the 3 weeks I had off because it gave me a chance to settle into my home. And now we are ready. Broadband is up and ready. Look at this growth. Look at this growth. You know my hair. I want to talk to you about the hair, okay? So let's get on with this video, okay? All right. Okay, so in every video I always introduce the hair. This is a 5-day wash and go. She looking man of fine. She's looking fine, right? Curl definition, we've got a bit of frizz. We don't mind the frizz. Gives me volume. So it's possible that you clicked on this video today because you just want to know how did you manage to get that much growth. You are probably thinking that it's rice water hair, or maybe fenugreek, cash, MSM, coffee, onion. But it kind of like wasn't any one particular ingredient. However, it was a very simple routine. I'm going to tell you. Okay, so first of all, we need to go back to the last time when I measured my hair. And it happened to be when I uploaded the video on the 25th of January. Here I am using the hair measure, of course, the one and only hair measure. So on this video, you can see clearly, in comparison, my fringe is much longer now. I haven't stretched my hair. I haven't picked out or fluffed my hair today. Look at the difference. You can definitely tell that this has more growth. So that makes it just over 7 weeks. Right, so we are going to be using the hair measure. We're going to take the fringe first. So last time my hair was straight, so I'm going to wet this down to get a really good, you know, a really good measurement. We want as accurate as possible. I'm not going to blow dry it straight. No, I'm not doing that. Okay, so I get about ½ an inch every month. So for 2 months, I should have grown an inch. And we're going all the way down. Where are we? So I'm going to clip it first. I'm going to clip this here with this little one, and then we're going down here. Where's that? What is that? What number's that? 15! Oh my goodness. Let's say 15. What? I'm sure it was 13 last time. You're joking me. You are joking. Right, we're doing that again, okay? Because we don't like lying things. Okay, it's there. Okay? We've clipped it here. We are going down. And it is at 15. Wow. That is 15. It is 15, isn't it? Yeah, 15. I've actually grown 2 inches of growth in 7 weeks. Charlie! I mean, you've seen it here. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the side back, which is, I always take one of the sides. Just get it wet. And let's measure. And now I've secured the hair measure. I'm just going to run the tape measure down, 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 down. I'm just probably going to do about here. Run the hair down, all the way down to there, which is just before 16. Just before 16. Oh, it's very good. Is that 2 inches? That's 2 inches as well. Right, so we've got it on camera. I'll only know when I start to edit right now, look at this. Look, it's a little refreshing, and look at the curls. Okay, so we're going to talk about what I did. They helped me grow 2 inches in 2 months. That's an inch a month, which means half an inch extra every month, which isn't normal for me unless I've been specific. So the first thing I did was, and it's in no particular order, but I just need to do it because my hair, my ends, is brushing against my shoulders. And quite frankly, right now, all I want to do is put this around my shoulders to keep the ends on my head. This is the first thing I've been doing consistently. If I'm going out, I don't care. I wear this over my coat, so it's over my shoulders. This is a satin scarf. It's what I call my granny scarf, okay? So I've been wearing my granny scarf all the time. When I'm in the car, I will put it over the headrest like this, over my coats. If I had a hood, I would put this over my head and then put the hood on. This has made a huge difference in me retaining my ends. Now, if you're not new here, you wouldn't know that I own my own brand. I've got a skin and hair care line, which is 100% natural. And one of the products that I've got on there is the Amari Me Growth Oil. So please use whatever oil that you feel suits your hair type. There are lots of lovely ingredients, and I have to read it off, okay? There's a lot of ingredients in here that are going to feed your hair and keep your scalp nourished, cleanse your scalp, help your hair grow, promote hair growth, like henna powder, black rice powder. You've got fenugreek powder in it, sea moss powder, aloe vera, olive oil, there's nettle powder, green tea, hibiscus, rosemary oil, avocado oil, neem oil, MSM, and sweet orange, and of course a preservative. So I've actually mixed mine in here because it's for my own home use. So I've got to tell you what I did. I used some good old water and your oil. These two. It growed my hair. Now, I was consistent with this routine. I made sure that I was using them deliberately and being really intentional with my care for my hair. So every night I would put my oil in my scalp. I know somebody is going to say, what did you do? Can you show me? So I'm showing you, okay? So I would do this, put it into my scalp, massage it in, and I would massage 2 to 3 minutes because trust me, I'm tired that I don't want to do this. And I just, you know what it's like. You know what it's like, sis. And you just haven't got time. You just want to go to bed. And then I would spray my hair down. So I would spray it all down. And then I would seal it in with some of this. So I'll go first of all in with my ends. Get my ends in there. I would not soak it, but just enough to sort of, get into the ends. And I will be doing this kind of motion. I don't know why, but that's what I was doing. So I'd get my ends again, and I'd do the same, and I would really work it into my ends, making sure the short bits at the back, because I've got shorter bits at the back, they were worked on, so I'd put some more on. And then with the excess on my hands, I would just grab some and just coat the rest of my hair, sealing in where I sprayed with the water. And then I would put my hair up in a pineapple and put my satin or silk bonnet on and go to sleep. When I wake up in the morning, literally take off my satin bonnet. So in the daytime, this was very, very important. I assessed my hair because there'd be times, maybe day 3 or day 4 post-wash, where my hair's a little bit frizzy and it is getting a bit tangled, or it may be a little bit greasy, and just assess what my hair's doing. And then I would spray my hair down just to give it a little bit of moisture. And then if it needed it, I would just take a few drops in my hand and just go like that. And that's it. Okay, so for the last 7 weeks, I have been doing that. I've been really, really consistent. So there's not really one thing that I can say that's helped my hair grow, but I think everything together has made such a difference. I've grown 2 inches in 7 weeks, which is pretty good. Don't you think, Chalet? Come on, waist length. We're getting there. We are getting there. And furthermore, some information that some of you may ask me. Yes, I kept up with my normal wash day routine, which was once a week. That suits me just fine. And I also deep condition once a week as well. Now, I have to say, for those that are just new to my channel, I'm currently in my perimenopause stage. I'm experiencing some highs and some weird lows. I'm going through the hot flashes as well, so at 49, like hormonal issues do normally attack your hair, and I have had a season of that, but I really can say that these two simple things, could have been anything, but I was really consistent, and I kept it simple with what I was doing. And the other thing, I feel that because I kind of it was low manipulation, I didn't do anything to my hair, I just left it. Because of this granny scarf, it has, you know, helped me out, I bet. And everywhere I sit, this has to go on the back of it, you know, and make sure everything, everywhere I go, this scarf. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that that has helped you in some way to keep it simple with your routine, but be really intentional. Okay guys, if you have any questions about this simple routine, please let me know in the comment section. Now, if you've gained rapid growth just like me in under 2 months and you want to share it with us all in this community, please let us know in the comments. I have a very special thing happening in my life. If you're on my Instagram stories, you would know. I'm gonna be uploading in the week an extra bonus video, okay? And it's because I'm opening up a new channel for the new thing that's happening. I can't wait! It will be a different video than I usually upload. But yeah, it's very exciting. Those of you who know, you know. Okay guys, I will see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this one. Don't forget to give it a like. It really helps my video, and share the video to somebody else. I will see you again in my next video. You take care and God bless you. Bye.